So we're working on the window side now, and we framed most of it in. We have a couple more to put in here in the upper level. And we have this corner, we have that framed in. We're running this board all the way through, and that way our first rafter will connect to it, and then I'll trim it off to match the rafter. So I can do that from the other side on the lift. So right now we're filling with insulation using the cellulose where we can, and then packing in some fiberglass where we can't really use the cellulose. So we're going to get all this in, get these boards up. We're going to run the boards right up to the window sill. Now this sill I had to change because the other one rotted out. I did that last year. But that's going to be okay. We're going to keep the roof line lower than what it was, so we shouldn't get as much damage here.